What'd you say?
Did I damage the box?
When did you damage the box?
Well, you know, it kind of just fell over on its side when I was bringing it in. It's here.
Nice.
Yes.
It's big.
Yes.
Oh, I see you getting it. You didn't have to get it. I just wanted to make sure it was there.
It's okay.
I see you. Oh, crap.
I might have to go back and look at the ring. What do you think about that? All right, today it finally came in, the Lancer Tactical Gen-4 GPS.